In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate TradingView to select and open a chart with ease and efficiency. If you're new to TradingView, or even if you're familiar with the platform, this guide will help you become more comfortable and confident in using its features to improve your trading experience. First things first, make sure that you're logged into your TradingView account. Once you've done that, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of TradingView. This is your starting point, where all the tools and features you need are easily accessible. You'll notice a menu on the right side of your screen, which is where you'll find a selection of charts at your disposal. Take a moment to locate this section, as it's the key to accessing the wide array of charts available on TradingView. Now, with your attention focused on the right-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see various chart options displayed. It's important to identify the specific chart you want to view. Take your time here, especially if you're evaluating multiple charts to figure out which one suits your current analysis needs best. Once you've spotted the chart you desire, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt TradingView to load the chart for you. After clicking on your chosen chart, there will be a brief loading period. This is entirely normal, as TradingView is gathering all the necessary data to present you with a comprehensive view of the market situation represented by that chart. During this time, it's a good moment to think about why you selected this particular chart and what specific information you are looking to gather or analyze from it. Once the chart has finished loading, you'll want to get the most comprehensive view possible to carry out your analysis. This is where the full chart view becomes indispensable. Towards the top of your screen, you'll see an option to expand to full chart view. Click on this to enhance the chart display to its maximum size, giving you a better, more detailed look at all the data points, indicators, and trends that are crucial for informed decision making. Enjoy the full chart view as you now have all the data and tools on screen to conduct thorough analysis. Remember, navigating through TradingView and understanding the utility of different features will dramatically enhance both your ability to interpret market data and your efficiency as a trader. So whenever you're on TradingView, use these steps to ensure you're making the most of what the platform has to offer. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to select and view full charts on TradingView. Practice these steps a few times and you'll find they become second nature. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.